Ciao a tutti. Today we're exploring the enchanting city of Venice in winter. And guess what? I've got a local Venetian guide to show us all the hidden gems and the festive delights. Let's go! Our adventure begins with a unique spectacle, and I can't believe that we were here to witness this. The Santa Claus Water Parade. But here's the catch. Instead of reindeers and sleighs, these jolly Santas cruise the canals in colorful boats spreading Christmas cheer. It's a festive welcome to this magical city.
Oh, nice. Rudolph. Wow. So, is this like, how many times do they do this? Wow. Ciao. It's hard to row boat. When we were in Portugal, we had like a kayak and we were like rowing the kayak, and I'm horrible at rowing them. I'm so bad. Yeah.
I don't care.
As we go further into the city, we come across Despar Venice, formerly the Cinema Centro Italia. We're stepping into a supermarket like no other here. The spa is housed in a beautiful restored neo-Gothic theatre, the Cinema Centro Italia. It's a fascinating blend of old and new.
No. You guys are like, what? It is amazing.
Next we find ourselves right by the Basilica de Santi Giovanni e Paolo, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This massive church is a final resting place for numerous doges who are actually rulers or past rulers of Venice, and is filled with incredible artwork and sculptures. It's a must-see for history and architecture buffs or lovers. A little bit about Venice. It's a city built on water, and boats are iconic. We're getting a behind-the-scenes look at a traditional boat building workshop. Well, at this point we actually stood opposite from it. This is where skilled artisans craft gondolas and other vessels using century-old techniques. The next place we end up in is the Libreria Acqua Alta, calling for all bookworms here. This quirky bookstore, Libreria Acqua Alta, is a book lover's dream, with books piled high in bathtubs, gondolas, and even a full-size boat. It's a unique and charming space. Plus, it's a haven for cats. We actually saw a couple of cats on our way out, and one of them was hanging out in the tree, sort of looking like a Venetian lion, as people gathered around and were taking videos. Quite interesting. An interesting fact about this library is that it actually survived a flood a couple of years ago, where they had to come in and move all the books to higher ground, and it's been a big restoration project, so well done.
I think it's making fun of George Bush. I think so, yeah. What? What? I'll try to grab one from. Yeah. Maybe just of the books. No, it's okay. No, it's good. No, it's good. Couple of sugar. You have an argument with your partner, the next day everyone knows. Wow.
African influence.
No, I don't think. Oh.
Time for a little coffee break. Cafe La Stera is a cozy and stylish cafe with delicious coffee and pastries. It's a perfect spot for a warm-up and a recharge before continuing on our adventure. Honestly, I'm gonna leave the interior of the cafe up to you guys who go and visit because it is worth it.
Romania wasn't part of the Schengen just yet.
This next destination is just a little bit harder to pronounce. One of the few actual green spaces in Venice has to be Parco del Remembrance. Right here we're taking a leisurely stroll along the Viale Vittorio Veneto. It's a wild boulevard lined with trees and historic buildings.
Because they were
Mediterranean.
and this is
Yeah, nasty.
I was looking at it like, oh my god, it must be so clean, so
No, it
blue.
doesn't look clean, but the thing is, we have the same color in... Oh my god. Yeah. And I did that, and then the next day
Well, this area is more busy. Yeah. This, the side you were saying is the main.
Okay, we had to hit one of the better known spots. No trip to Venice is complete without a visit to the Piazza San Marco, the city's iconic central square. Admire the Doge Palace, St. Mark's Basilica, and the Campanile Bell Tower and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Even right in the middle of winter, this place is still buzzing. People are still out and loving the views.
that's why everyone's taking pictures of the side. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Very cool.
The clock, eh? Bell tower. Yeah.
But also the watchtower.
Oh. At what point do you say no? That's too much. Like €2, yeah? Yeah.
boats. Honestly, Venice is filled with these places that I will always struggle to pronounce, but our next stop is the Ponte dell'Accademia. We're crossing the Grand Canal at the Ponte dell'Accademia, a wooden bridge with stunning views of the city. Then this little gem is you can hop on a gondola at the St. Thomas station and enjoy that Venetian experience, but at a fraction of the price. I think we paid €3, which if you ask anyone about how much it costs you to get on a gondola, it's a lot more expensive than that. So that's our little tip there. And the beauty with catching this gondola is it drops you right under the iconic Ponte di Rialto, a historic bridge lined with shops.
Oh,
Don't want to tip the boat.
okay, it's almost over. It's almost over. Be ready. We can't all leave at the same time, I don't think. Okay. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
In the cold.
We have a few in like on Vancouver Island. Yeah. Aw.
Yeah. Wow. Even being able to navigate this place without knowing, like, wow.
There's a balance. You just spend half your time in one and half your time in the other.
Be perfect.
Burger King. There you go.
Perfect. It's always near a train station.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, what were you saying? Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Share
Accessibility, yeah, that's true.
city that we can't do when we're younger.
Yeah,
Maybe when we're old, we won't be able to anymore.
yeah, true.
Yeah, like a big, yeah.
True. Ooh. There you go.
Afterwards, we indulge in these beautiful pastries at Pasteria del Mas. It's a traditional Venetian bakery. Venice in winter is truly magical. From festive parades to historic landmarks and cozy cafes, this city has something for everyone.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think, Diana? What's a good one? Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Hope you enjoyed this adventure, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to these travel vlogs. Ciao!